Um, I'm not a big fan of this steamer, I have to say. I've had much better ones, and I was trying to find a small one for my new apartment. Um, it claims to be nano ionic. Um, I don't know. I've had better ones. I might return this one and get a different one. But you don't want to. It doesn't really matter. Like steam is steam. I think there are some that claim like that the molecules are smaller. I haven't looked into that. I don't know if it's true, but the thing about steaming is you want to do your steaming. I usually do it at night like this before bed, or you could do it first thing in the morning if you're not going to sing right away, because you don't want to sing immediately after steaming, because steaming is a vasodilator. Like it's going to make your blood vessels expand and make your blood flow closer to the surface of your tissues, and it will also like soften and warm and like help the tissues become more pliable, which is all great news. But you don't want to do an arduous workout when your tissues are in that state, because you could cause like a hemorrhage in your vocal folds. I've heard. I've never experienced that or known someone to experience it, but I've heard that that is true, and it makes sense. But see this like unsteady flow of steam? That is what I'm not a fan of with this. I used to have one that would fill up the whole room with steam. That's really like my preference, instead of like having the steam directly like a small, narrow, direct flow of the steam. I like when the whole room is full of steam. I feel like that is like the best way to go. So like the desired effect of steaming, because like why would you be doing it? There's some reason for it, right? So the desired effect would be that, at least that I would describe, would be a feeling of lubrication as you are phonating. In other words, the onset of your phonation, or the ease with which you can produce sound, seems to improve. Like it takes less effort to sing. Just feels like everything is sort of more hydrated and moving around more easily. And if you have irritation in your throat, you should feel some of that irritation be soothed. There's also a feeling that I don't exactly know how to describe the sensation, sort of like a soft feeling or a smooth feeling in your throat. And the theory is, which I don't know if this is actually totally backed up by science, I've seen conflicting evidence about this, but when you drink water, which we should be doing all the time as singers, sipping a little water, little water, little water, like constantly throughout the day, we should be sipping water.